is that with light?
No, this one doesn't light.
Oh, it doesn't. Yay. Oh, the ball.
What ball? Look, Max. Oh my gosh. He just doesn't know. Yeah, he's like, I don't know what to do with all this.
Yeah, he knows what to do with this.
Yeah, he already opened it. I don't know if he knows what it is, but he sure does want to get a hold of it.
You want to get him wound up?
Not really, but...
All of us can take a bite of this right now.
Uh-huh. Max, what's in here?
Look, there are farm animals.
Crunchy and crisp candy.
Poor Art. Art's confused, Cheyenne. Oh, it fell down. Hang on, Mom's trying to open the farm animals. It's not working. One-handed. Max, what is this? It's a horse. What is it? Horse. Good. What's this? Max, what's this? Max.
What is that?
Dude, Max. It's coupons for
Max.
Chick-fil-A. It's a restaurant in Denver.
Max. Max. What's this? Oink, oink.
And that's the sheep, man.